Hi, Willie from Wagtail here. Ever thought about buckets on belts? I find them too heavy. Can't squeeze the water up, can't run in them, can't sit down in them. Wagtail has simply got a bag. Put the bag onto a Velcro strap, go to a supermarket and get your favourite container. Now it could be a nice big container like this. You cut the bottom off, the top off, and insert it into the bag. Alternatively, you can get two containers like this, cut the top and bottom off like that, and you've got a protection at the bottom, and you've got enough room for 5 tools. My preferred option is a nice big container like that. You put it into your bag like that. I prefer to put a slit in the container as well to keep it in place. Put your strap on like that. Now you're ready to go. Now that is ready. Now let's just put a little bit of water on to show you what you can do. So you've got room for 1 tool, room for 2 tools, room for 3 tools, as many tools as you want to have. In this case, we'll just restrict it to 2 to show you the advantage of being able to squeeze the water up to the top like this. See, you've got water there. Turn it around, you've got plenty of water to go and do your window clip. Wagtail, hip dipper. Thank you.